Kobe Mainoo, position center midfielder, contract renewal at Manchester United confirmed. Nico Schlotterbeck, position center back, contract renewal at Borussia Dortmund confirmed. Mohamed Salah, position right forward, set to leave Liverpool in the summer transfer window as a free transfer and it's officially confirmed. Bastoni, position center back, Inter Milan to Barcelona, deal very close. Matias Almeida, position manager, sacked by Sevilla Football Club and it's officially confirmed. Griezmann, Atletico Madrid to MLS side Orlando City as a free transfer confirmed. Zinedine Zidane set to new head coach of France national team after World Cup. Hansi Flick, position manager, contract renewal at Barcelona confirmed. Pedro Porro, position right back, Tottenham to Manchester City, deal very close. Matteo Blanco, position left back, club Atletico Union to Chelsea Football Club confirmed. Cuti Romero, position center back, set to leave Tottenham Hotspur in the summer transfer window confirmed. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.